Riddhima, good morning. And Saira. Okay, let's start our class, beta. Join your hands and close your eyes for chanting Omkaram. Saira.
Saira ma'am. Saira ma'am.
We were doing question and answers,
Saira
book
ma'am.
exercise. Sairam, beta. Sairam. Have you done the activities? Hmm?
Yes ma'am. Yes ma'am. Yes
Okay.
ma'am. यस मैम। मैम मैं भी व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप पे भेज दूंगी क्लास खत्म होने के बाद।
Okay, beta.
मैम
Do.
मैं भी भेज दूंगी। मैम वो मैम मैं भी खिला दूंगी होने के बाद। एक्टिविटी की बात हो रही है
हाँ, बेटा.
मैम। एक्टिविटी
रिद्धिमा.
की बात हो रही है।
हाँ हाँ,
एक्टिविटी
एक्टिविटी की बात
मैम मैंने
है ना.
सेंड कर दी थी।
हाँ हाँ, 4-5 students have already sent it on the WhatsApp group. Okay.
मैम मैं क्लास की सेंड कर दूंगी।
हाँ. Okay. Now we'll be doing question and answer. Before that, let us see a video. Okay. Related to use of am, is, are, and was, were. Okay, this is there. The exercise is there in the book. So before going to that exercise, we'll be watching a video. Okay, and don't speak in between, beta. Okay. अगर आप चुपचाप देखोगे तो समझ में आएगा. पहले वीडियो को वॉच करना है, उसके बाद अगर कोई सवाल हो, जब वीडियो बंद हो जाएगा तब करना. क्या है? ठीक है, उसको अच्छे से ऑब्जर्व करना है, क्योंकि ये आपकी एक्सरसाइजेस में आएगा, आगे भी आएगा. इज एम आर यूज कहाँ करते हैं, वॉज वर का यूजेज क्या है. ये है, छोटा सा है, बहुत बड़ा नहीं है. बट लेट अस वॉच दिस वीडियो केयरफुली. ओके.
ओके मैम।
Is it visible? Screen is visible?
यस मैम। यस मैम।
Okay.
नो
I'm
मैम।
playing it.
यस मैम।
What
नो
visible?
मैम मुझे नहीं दिख रही। स्क्रीन इज विजिबल। मैम स्क्रीन नो विजिबल। ये वालों को स्क्रीन इज विजिबल। विजिबल मैम इट इज विजिबल।
Am is
मैम आपकी स्क्रीन
am
छोटी दिखती
is
है।
are was were will be. Look at these sentences. I am going to school. The teacher is absent today. Children are making noise in the class. These sentences are using the verbs am, is, and are that tell about now or the present. We were at the zoo this morning. The zoo was crowded. These sentences are using the verbs was and were that tell about the past. If we all follow traffic rules, there will be no chaos on the road. There will be a test tomorrow. These sentences are using the verb will be that tells about the future.
Have you understood?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Shall I play once more? Once again, shall I play it?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. Now again. Okay. Pay attention again, beta.
Grammarly can help you write quickly and confidently, so you never have to slow down at work. Instant corrections make your writing mistake-free.
Am, is, are, was, were, will be. Look at these sentences. I am going to school. The teacher is absent today. Children are making noise in the class. These sentences are using the verbs am, is, and are that tell about now or the present. We were at the zoo this morning. The zoo was crowded. These sentences are using the verbs was and were that tell about the past. If we all follow traffic rules, there will be no chaos on the road. There will be a test tomorrow. These sentences are using the verb will be that tells about the future.
Ma'am, what is the meaning of chaos?
Chaos मतलब आप सोच सकते हो भीड़ जैसा, या मतलब शोर, शोर जिसको बोलते हैं, ठीक है?
मैम, मैस
chaos या हड़बड़ी मचाना, इस तरीके से.
मैम मुश्किल.
मैम, अराजकता.
मतलब कुछ भी बुरा जो होता है ना, जैसे कियोस, एक शोर को भी बोल सकते हैं, जहाँ पे कोई भी डिसिप्लिन मेंटेन नहीं होता बेटा.
मैम, हिंदी मीनिंग इज अराजकता.
हाँ, डिसिप्लिन जहाँ मेंटेन नहीं होता, सब अपनी मन मर्जी चलाते हैं, वहाँ पे क्या होता है?
हमारी 3rd क्लास.
हाँ. वहां पे हम प्रॉब्लम में आ जाते हैं. जब सब अपनी अपनी इच्छा से चलते हैं तो प्रॉब्लम में आ जाते हैं. तब अराजकता होती है, या इनडिसिप्लिन होता है, या कियोस होता है, क्योंकि कोई किसी को समझ नहीं पाता है कि क्या होने वाला है. ठीक है, तो जो उलझ जाते हैं, कुछ भी नहीं कर पाते, सब कुछ गड़बड़ गड़बड़ होने लगता है, दैट इज कॉल्ड कियोस. ओके, नाउ इट वाज अ स्मॉल वीडियो, but it made us very clear कि when to use is, am and are, what are the uses of was and were, and when to use will be. Okay, जब भी हमको कुछ फ्यूचर में करना पड़ता है, जैसे I'll be, I will be, ठीक है, जो हो चुका है, अगर सिंगुलर के साथ में यूज कर रहे हैं, if we are using that word for single person or single event, that means we must use was. और अगर प्लूरल के लिए यूज करना है तो वर. सेम वे जैसे प्रेजेंट टेंस में इज और आर यूज करते हैं. इज की जगह पे पास्ट में वॉज यूज होता है, एंड आर की जगह पे पास्ट में वर यूज होता है. ओके, तो आपके इसमें भी एक सिंपल सी एक्सरसाइज है आपके बुक में, उसको पहले ओपन कर लो. इट इज ऑन पेज नंबर 13. जस्ट ओपन पेज नंबर 13 एंड टेक अ पेंसिल इन योर हैंड. Got that activity? Let's write second question. Can you see that? Okay. use the help box to fill in the box. That means fill in the blanks. That means we have to use two words, either was or were. Okay. Now we have to find it out whether it is for singular or whether it is for plural. Okay. अगर वो singular होगा तो क्या आएगा? एक के लिए होगा तो क्या आएगा?
Was.
Okay. और बहुत सारे के लिए होगा तो क्या आएगा? Were. Okay. That we have to keep in the mind.
Ma'am, it's on page number 13.
Yes, beta. It is on page number 13. Okay.
Ma'am,
In my book, it is
was a good football player.
yes. Ram dash a good football player. Ram is
Was.
yes. Was. Why was Ram? Yes.
Ram was
Ram was a good football player. Write down there. Was. Just write down there.
मैंने लिखा
Yeah.
मम्मी मैंने लिखा मैंने पहले से करके रखा है यस मैम मैंने भी
Very
रखा
good. Okay, no problem. No problem.
मैम मैंने
Okay, the second one. The cows dash grazing in the field. Cows are very good. Were. It is not where, beta. It is were. Where की spelling में तो H आ जाएगा. Okay. It is were. Third one. My toys dash broken. Were. Because toys is a plural word. Okay. Her frock dash too long. Frock is one. Single. Yes, was. The market dash closed. Yes, was. WAS was. The children dash happy. Children were. Why were?
The flower.
Then is the plural form.
Children is a plural.
Yes.
The
The
children.
flowers dash kept in a vase. Okay. Now this is the use of was and were. Okay, Vinamra. Good. कभी कभी कैमरा भी ओपन करना चाहिए विनम्र. ओके. नाउ अगर आप इसमें is and are यूज करोगे तो सेम sentences but you have to use is and are. और am जो है am that is used with I. Okay, I am. ठीक है. तो यहाँ देखते हैं राम. If you have to use is or are, then Ram dash a good football player. Yes, Ram is a good football player. Very good. The cows dash grazing in the field. Cows are. My toys dash broken.
My toys is broken.
My toys is
My toys is
Remember, beta, in place of were, you have to put are. Are is used for plural. Were is used for plural, but in past activity, for past tense. Okay. Her frock dash too long.
is
Is. Very good.
is
The market dash closed or open.
the market is the market is closed. The market
Yes.
is closed. The market is now closed.
हाँ मार्केट है. किसको प्रॉब्लम है मार्केट? यस बेटा. कोई डाउट है? एनी डाउट?
No, ma'am.
The dash. Okay, the children dash happy or unhappy.
Ma'am.
Children are. Yes. The flowers dash. Kept in a vase. Yes. Okay. Now see, some chatting is going on there. The meaning of kiosk. For the meaning of kiosk. Now I told you kiosk meaning. What is the meaning of kiosk? If you are not able to understand what is happening, indiscipline. Because of indiscipline, because you're not able to understand anybody, you do on your own whatever you feel like doing. तो उसको क्या बोलते हैं? Chaos. अराजक. ऐश्वर्या, why are you presenting? ठीक है, मेरे यहाँ पे देखो एक लॉक बना हुआ है. गूगल ने एक नया फीचर डाल रखा है. I can stop this chatting and I can stop you from presenting. अब आप सोच लो कि अगर आपको चैटिंग करना है और मैं मना कर दूं, यहाँ पे मैं लॉक लगा दूंगी, तो आप चैट नहीं कर सकते. You won't be able to chat then. ये गूगल का न्यू फीचर आया है. बट हम लोग अलाउ करते हैं कि आप चैटिंग कर सकते हैं, बट डोंट चैट दिस वे कि एक दूसरे को नीचे दिखाना है या किसी को क्रिटिसाइज करना. क्या मतलब, आपको अंडरस्टैंड हो गया ना? आस्क योर डाउट्स.
Yes, ma'am. Okay.
Now understood the meaning of chaos. Now when teacher is not there, there is a chaos in the class. Have you understood? बच्चे शोर मचा रहे हैं, that is called chaos. On railway stations you find chaos. ठीक है, in the marketplaces you find chaos. क्या chaos होता है? कोई कुछ खरीद रहा है, कोई कुछ बोल रहा है, that is called chaos. Understood? जो आप शोर मचाते टीचर की एब्सेंस में, कोई दौड़ रहा है, कोई कुछ कर रहा है, कोई रो रहा है, कोई चिल्ला रहा है, दैट इज कियोस. ओके, उसका प्रोनाउंसिएशन क्या है? CH क आएगा, कियोस. ओके, चाउस नहीं है, वो कियोस है. गॉट इट? तो ऐसे कुछ वर्ड्स को हमको याद रखना पड़ता है, क्योंकि अगर हम कियोस, मैं अगर बोलूं कि राइट डाउन कियोस, तो आप कियोस क्या लिखोगे? अपने मन से सोच के लिखोगे. ओके, तो जब ऐसे वर्ड्स आते हैं उसको कहीं नोट डाउन कर लिया करो, सो दैट यू विल एबल टू यूज सच वर्ड्स. ओके
मैम, हमें एक डायरी बनाने के लिए चाहिए और जिसका मीनिंग नहीं आना चाहिए उन्हें हम. मैम, व्हाट इज द स्पेलिंग ऑफ कियोस?
हाँ, बताओ किसने देखा था कियोस?
मैम, कैन आई?
हाँ, yes. CHAOS. Double O.
CHAOS.
हाँ.
No, ma'am, CHAOS.
AOS. एक ही O आएगा ना, एक ही O आएगा बेटा, है ना? आपने डबल बोल दिया होगा. अच्छा, ठीक है, हो सकता है लिखा एक ही है, लेकिन गलती से आपको लगा होगा कि सुना नहीं है, तो आपके मुंह से डबल निकल गया. नो प्रॉब्लम. ओके, नाउ दिस एक्सरसाइज इज ओवर. नेक्स्ट इज कमिंग टू द नेक्स्ट वन. Come to page number 14. It is same question. Let's write, but the third question number. Now you will find that there are some pictures, some blanks are given, and some words also provided for using in the blanks. Okay, to be used in the blanks. Now look. Good beta. If you have done, no problem. Because all have not done, so we are discussing it in the class. Look at the pictures below and complete the following paragraph. You will need these words. So you have got the words to be used in the blanks. Okay. Now let us see. It's a small paragraph. Yes, Riddhima?
But I already do it.
Ah, you have already done it. I have already done it. Okay. Yesterday, I lost a book. I looked for it everywhere. I looked. Now you can see the picture in front of that. Dash a door. The girl is behind. So looked behind a door also. Write down behind there. Behind.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I looked behind the door.
Behind a door. दरवाजे के पीछे देखा. ओके, तो आप इन सेंटेंसेस को यूज कर सकते हो. यू कैन sentences in your daily life. My mother is standing behind me. I am standing behind my mother. Okay. Behind me there is a tree. So you can frame small sentences by using this. Okay. इससे आपकी प्रैक्टिस होती है बेटा. हाँ रिद्धिमा,
मैम ये काम फर्स्ट और सेकंड में किया, इसलिए काम सबको आता होगा.
नहीं ऐसा जरूरी नहीं है बेटा, ऐसा जरूरी नहीं है. ओके.
मैम
Next one is further. I looked dash a cupboard. Where is
inside.
she?
Inside.
Inside.
the cupboard.
It is not cupboard, it is cupboard. Cupboard. P is silent. Cupboard.
Cupboard. Inside the cupboard.
It is not cupboard, it is cupboard.
मैम you please है.
P लिखा, P is silent बेटा. Okay, P is silent. Okay. What is this sound?
मैम समझ.
Next one, see. I look dash a bed. Where is she?
Under.
Under bed. Okay, I look under bed.
Yes. I looked under the bed.
Looked means she was searching that thing, particular thing. Okay. I could not find it anywhere. Then I dashed.
Called out.
Write down called out.
I called
out Cheru. Okay. Cheru. I called out for my book. Then what did he do? He dashed another book from my bag. He dashed Yes. He pulled out another book from my, yes, खींच रहा था. Okay? खींच रहा था वो. तो इससे okay. Now come to page number 10. This activity we have already done, but let us do again in the book those who have not done it so far. Reading is fun. I gave you few questions yesterday only in my slide. Okay. So same questions were there, but I did not give any option for that. Pick the correct answer. What time did Neha's clock ring every morning?
6 o'clock. 6 o'clock. Then 6
Yes.
o'clock.
Put a tick over there. Put a tick over there.
Ma'am,
Tick
6
close
o'clock.
up.
6 o'clock.
Yes, 6 o'clock. It may come in the form of question also. Okay. And you have to write the full answer in a sentence.
What did the
bird say?
will be? Wake up.
Wake up, dear. Wake up. Yes, wake up. Put a tick over there.
Wake up, dear. Wake up fast.
Yes. Put a tick over there.
Ma'am, bird.
In the option only wake up is given.
What? Ma'am, third is
Next
our body
one.
clock.
No, don't say answer first. Okay.
What is inside you? That
Third one. What is inside you that makes you get up at the same time every day? What is there?
body
clock. Put a tick.
हमारे शरीर
Put a tick there.
हमारे शरीर की
Yes.
बॉडी क्लॉक.
Yes. Okay. Yes, our body
शरीर
clock.
की
Okay. Now put the letters in the right order. Yesterday we have practiced a lot for this. Okay. Now you can do it very quickly.
Ma'am,
First one is ILESN. Smile.
Nine.
Second one is MRALA.
Alarm.
Write down there. It's very
Third
fast.
and fourth one is
Yes. OCKLC.
fourth and clock.
EDORNS.
Snort.
Yes. WODVIN.
Window.
Window. Yes.
Window.
Next page.
Window.
Sound you heard.
Let's
What
let's
is
read it up.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, हमें उसकी sound
दो
बतानी
बेटा।
है. Ma'am, sound you heard and sound your friend heard. Sound
This is the sounds around you when you are on your school way to. Okay, you are
sound play.
on your way to school. Now, these are the sounds. आपको क्या sound सुनाई देता है? That you have to write. You can see the picture. R is there. You can say pop pop. Pee. What else?
Bark of a dog.
Write down there. Write down there. अपना वाला fill कर लो. Sounds you heard. Sounds you heard fill कर लो. When you see a car or a vehicle, what type of sound comes into your ear?
Ma'am, how will we fill the table? Of your friend here.
Leave that table. First portion you have to write down. Okay, sounds you heard that you have to fill. Okay.
Ma'am, yes. Ma'am, yes, no ऐसे लिखना है मैम.
Yes, no थोड़ी ना लिखना. आपने क्या साउंड सुना ये लिखना है. कैसा साउंड था?
हमने क्या sound? sound.
इसके अंदर क्लास में ध्यान दो बेटा. देखो अभी बच्चों ने बोला कि हमने कैसे साउंड सुना. पी पी. तो राइट डाउन पी पी. If you are not able to understand, try to listen to others. Okay. तो पी पी. आपको कुछ और साउंड गाड़ी का सुनाई देता है. टर्र टर्र खर्र खर्र.
Ma'am, broom.
It's up to you. Yes. Anshu will say broom. Write down broom. Whatever sound you heard, that you have to write in your own manner, in your own.
Is the spelling of
गाड़ी के चलने की तो आवाज आती है ना.
Take your own spelling.
Ma'am, what is the spelling of zoom?
Write down.
Ma'am, जो असली आवाज
Execute करो.
की spelling
Spelling.
And birds are chirping. And birds are chirping.
Chirping sound. गाड़ी दिख रही है तो chirping sound क्या है? Okay. Second one. A girl is there. She's speaking something. Talking. What else?
Good morning.
Good morning. What else?
Good morning.
Ma'am, hi, hello.
Hi. Say hello. Write down.
How are you?
Ma'am, who are you?
Hi, hello, bye.
Hi. Hello. How are you?
How are you?
Listen to me. Come here. Go there.
Go to school together. Let's play.
Let's play in the morning itself, no?
Let's go.
Let's walk.
Yes. Anything. Write down.
Let's sing.
What you mostly hear. आप जो ज्यादा सुनते हो वो लिख लो. It is imagination.
Let's sing.
Can be imagination also. Now पेड़ दिख रहा है. There is a
Let's sing.
tree. Picture of tree.
Ma'am, please sing. Ma'am,
Ma'am,
Sound.
ma'am,
Okay. A particular sound comes from that.
Studying
हाँ.
to
Write down हाँ. SH. Okay. And if it is bigger one, SHHH. हाँ. Okay. Next one is a bird. A bird. Sheep. Yes. Chup chup. What else? Chee chee. Yes. Ah, chip chip. Chee chee. Chup chup.
पोएम में था
हाँ.
देखो पोएम the cow the horses the dog
हाँ.
the sheep and the tiny chicken sheep वो तो फेक पोएम में था
Creating sound. Chee chee. हाँ. Chee chee. That is what I'm saying. Chee chee. Cheep cheep. Chup chup.
chirp
Okay. Horn. Horn. Is it a picture of horn? Paw paw. Write down paw paw. What else? Yes.
माइक वाले
Whatever. Yes. Write down.
मैम व्हाट
मैम आपने क्या आवाज मैम
मैम पढ़ वाले में
PO
मैम
हाँ,
पापा पियो पियो तो किसी का ए लगा दूंगी तो
Okay. Now the second question. Second question. Yes. Good. You all have understood. I know that. Coming to the second one. This we have discussed in the class. There is no clock in the house to wake you in the morning. How will you wake up? Now we have done this. Okay. Now the answer is, will you continue to sleep or what will you do? How will you wake up?
I will wake up
By the sound made by milkman. By my
by the
mother.
sound generated by the birds.
Birds, yes. Anybody
Generated by the sunshine.
Beetles, yes.
By the sunshine.
Yes, by the sunshine. Okay.
fine
Yes.
but
Okay. So write as many options as you can. जितने ज़्यादा options होंगे उतना अच्छा. Don't write only one option. Write down 3-4 options. Okay. Write down 3-4 options there. Pencil से लिख लो so that it will be easy for you to note down. Yes, Navya.
मैम आप चैट बॉक्स में देखिए संकेत ने मैम 7% mice on the in this meeting.
हाँ, माइक ऑन बता रहा है. माइक ऑन है सभी के, सभी आंसर कर रहे हैं इसलिए. समझ, ये माइक का पिक्चर है क्या? Sanket is a keen observer. He is observing everybody. Isn't it, Sanket?
Ma'am. Yes, ma'am. He is watching time also.
हाँ, जैसे ही होगा अभी बोलेगा मैडम टाइम इज ओवर. शांतनु भी लिखेगा टाइम इज ओवर.
टाइम इज ओवर.
सोनम भी लिखेगी टाइम इज ओवर.
पीरियड में कोई ना कोई
हाँ.
लिखता ही है.
आज
मैम
सोनम
फिर
नहीं
आप
लिखी है.
पूछोगे कि अभी और करना है क्या, तो फिर हम सब लोग मिलके बोलेंगे कि यस मैम फिर वो गुस्सा होके लीव कर देगा.
हाँ.
Okay. Now the other one also we have discussed. What are the different ways of knowing the time during the day, not Knowing the time. What is the question? During the daytime. During the daytime. During the daytime.
By
If there is
listening
no
to the
clock.
radio or TV.
Yes, by listening to the or watching to the radio and TV.
By
Yes,
play.
what else?
By clock.
By clock.
By clock.
No clock is there then.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, with the help of mobile.
Okay. Mobile में भी तो clock है. Yes. What
Ma'am,
else?
with the help of TV.
हाँ, TV and the radio. She has already said. What else? Sanket, what else?
मैम जैसे सूरज मैम बाय द हेल्प ऑफ हम पता लगा सकते हैं कि रात है दिन है दोपहर है
Just wait. Yes, Sanket, what are you saying?
मैम वॉल क्लॉक मैम बाय
Wall clock. When there is no clock, then.
Ma'am, and
When
clock.
there is no clock.
हम बाहर देख के वेदर को देख के पता लगा सकते हैं कि दिन है रात है दोपहर है
By observing the nature. Shadow, yes.
when shadow is long it is morning or evening when shadow is short it is noon.
Yes,
ma'am.
By looking at our shadows. Sanket, is there any other option? Any other thing?
आसमान को देख yes
Yes. Sanket, I want to listen to you. Tablet. Are you saying tablet?
yes ma'am.
Okay. That means computer and all, no?
yes ma'am. yes ma'am वो बड़ा होता है उसे tablet type of phone only
Ah.
is type of big phone and by the sound yes, it is means that we can use by TV mobile that
Now see, there is a crossword puzzle on page number 12.
yes
Open it up.
I already done the work.
Already done.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am. I have already done it. Ma'am, I have completed the full book.
Okay, these words are related to what? Chapter only. Story.
Ma'am, I have completed full book.
In the copy. Who has completed full book? Who has completed?
Ma'am,
Akshita.
Ma'am, I also completed
Good.
Ma'am, Manasvi.
Ritima.
Yes, ma'am.
All have done. Very good.
Udita. Ma'am,
Now see.
have done the book on Sunday. Yes, ma'am. I have
Very good.
done the book. I have done the book on summer vacations and before.
Very good.
Book. Yes, ma'am. I also. I do in yes, ma'am. At the end of July, I have completed all the books. Yes,
Tomorrow I may take listening test, okay? I may take listening test that is through Google Form by telling
Yes,
a
ma'am.
story and then by giving questions based on that, okay? I may take, if I'll able to prepare it, I'll definitely give you listening test, okay? Tomorrow.
स्टोरी याद करना है यस मैम
आपको नहीं याद करना. I will tell a story and on the basis of that I'll give some questions.
मैम
in the Google.
मैम हिंदी मैम has already taken the listening test.
Today?
Yes, ma'am.
When?
Through Google
ma'am.
Form. Like you.
Take.
Okay. So in English also we'll be doing the same because listening
Yes.
test is there, okay? And we have not taken any listening test till now. Maybe tomorrow if I'll get the story, easy story because all cannot understand a big story. So I want small story with easy words. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Because many of you are able to understand the words, but हाँ,
English
आपको कुछ नहीं बनाना है, आपको सिर्फ सुनना है. ठीक है, जब मैं बोलूंगी तो मैं 2 ही बार बोलूंगी, आपको सुनना है. Then you have to attempt questions on the basis of that through Google Form. Okay. तो अपनी ईमेल आईडी
गूगल फॉर्म में इसके आंसर्स लिखे हुए हैं, हमें उसको टिक
हाँ
करना है।
बस 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 आपको टिक करने
मैम,
वाला ही आएगा बेटा,
मैम, हमको
हमेशा याद
email
रखो। गूगल फॉर्म में
हमको
लिखना
email भी
मतलब
लिखना है क्या?
0, फैंटास्टिक। ठीक है ना, एक हमने करके देखा था
मैम, लिखना है।
इसीलिए, बिकॉज आई हैव रिटन इन सम अदर वे, यू विल बी राइटिंग इन सम अदर वे, so
मैम
always fantastic
मैम टिक
and you won't accept
टिक
this
वाला है।
fantastic then,
मैम
आपको गुस्सा आएगा।
क्या
ठीक है, ये सबसे अच्छा नंबर होता है,
डिक्टेशन
किसी को भी टाइम नहीं लगता। हमारा स्मार्ट
मैम हिंदी में बहुत वो लिखने में बहुत दिक्कत।
बार बार फोन
तो कल ये काम करेंगे
मैम
हम।
लिखने में बहुत दिक्कत होती है।
हाँ, फिर नेक्स्ट बहुत दिक्कत होती है लिखने में दिक्कत।
मैम लिखने में बहुत
इंग्लिश का भी
दिक्कत
लिख
नहीं होती
लूंगी
बेटा, आप कुछ और सोच रहे हो, मैं कुछ और सोच रही हूँ। ठीक है, हम याद किया हुआ आंसर्स मैं तो कभी अलाउ नहीं करती, नेवर, किसी भी क्लास में।
लेटर लिखा और हमने स्मॉल लेटर लिखा।
स्टिल 1 minute इज देयर। ऐश्वर्या
जीरो इसलिए
लास्ट 1 minute। हाँ, अभी ओवर हुआ है।
बच्चे स्मॉल लेटर से क्वेश्चन का शुरू करते हैं। मैं उसे पहले ही भेज दिया।
हाँ,
मैम आपने
पहले भेजिए मैम टाइम। मैम उसने लेफ्ट कर लिया।
मैम
ठीक है, कल वाटरिंग राइम भी हम
मैम आपने
start करेंगे। अगर कुछ और नई एक्टिविटी कंडक्ट की तो हम वाटरिंग राइम शुरू करेंगे। विल बी स्टार्टिंग विद अ न्यू पोएम दैट इज वाटरिंग राइम। ओके, गो थ्रू इट वंस। आई मे सेंड some video related to that.
ओके मैम। ओके मैम।
Okay.
मैम लिख दिया। मैम समझ लो दा अजय ने और मैम ऐश्वर्या ने। टाइम इज ओवर
डालते ही रहते हैं।
हाँ, पूरा फोकस पे कि वेदर इट इज 10 or not.
टाइमर के ऊपर डालते ही हैं।
हाँ, okay. Let's end our session. Okay, complete this work. Got it? Write down in the copy so that you'll be able to learn all the things. Okay, and you will be able to practice it. Okay, come on, let's do Shanti part. Hi,
Ma'am, thank you, ma'am.